Hello? Who'd have thought you'd be a worthy hide-and-seek rival after all? I know you're in here somewhere. You wouldn't dare leave the castle. Or would you? No. Where are you hiding?
Meet the Unity! Guys, show 'em what you got! Unikitty!
I'm getting too old for this.
Poppycorn!
All Cat can do is defend him.
Duck the Fox!
Catchphrase.
And Richard!
Wherever they're needed, they'll be there.
We make a pretty good team, don't we? It's about to get even better. This is gonna be fun.
Unikitty!
New show
Coming up next!
on your Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's the new show Unikitty. What if instead of the Titans you know and love, there was a team of opposite Titans? Would they look the same?
Obviously, that's an imposter. How can you be so sure?
Would they sound the same? Would they have the same powers? We want to know. Parents, pull up the See and Say app, show us your kids' drawings of the opposite Titans, and they might see their work on TV. And don't miss a special Opposite Titans episode coming in February on your Cartoon Network. Starting right now, it's the new show Unikitty.
Meet the Unity! Guys, show 'em what you got! Unikitty!
I'm getting too old for this.
Poppycorn!
All Cat can do is defend him.
Duck the Fox!
Catchphrase.
And Richard!
Wherever they're needed, they'll be there.
We make a pretty good team, don't we? It's about to get even better. This is gonna be fun.
Unikitty!
New show. Watch it now on TV, on demand, and on the Cartoon Network app. Coming up next, it's OKKO Let's Be Heroes. Starting right now, it's OKKO Let's Be Heroes.
You're gonna make today so magical and wonderful. If only you were alive.
I love you so much.
Nothing but no.
To make it more interesting.
Coming up next, it's the amazing world of Gumball.
Are you gonna be in college forever?
Not forever. Close your eyes. I have a surprise.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Coming up next, it's the amazing world of Gumball.
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Over here, kitty, kitty, kitty! That's a good kitty!
Coming up next, it's the amazing world of Gumball.
Look at the hydraulics on that thing!
So shiny and chrome.
Who paid for this?
Behold!
Coming up next, it's Teen Titans Go! Teen Titans Go! Starting right now, it's the new show, Unikitty.
Every day, your favorite characters sit in full episodes, waiting, missing you. But you can help. Just download the Cartoon Network app.
Does this application cost monies?
It's a free application.
Watch unlocked episodes of your favorite shows.
They released all of season 2 today? Maybe I'll watch one more. One more, definitely.
On the Cartoon Network app. Available for free. Messaging and data rates may apply. Must be 18 years or older or have permission from a parent or guardian.
Okay, good night, everyone. Thanks for watching your favorite shows. Come back tomorrow for more of your favorites.